Good afternoon. My name is Rania Zriqat. I will start by giving you a quick introduction about our office. Okay. Our office was founded in 2002, and since then, we have steadily grown and established our presence in the local architectural scene. The images you see right now, they show you our office and work environment from the inside and the outside. Our architectural practice is based in Amman. We worked with several clients in the Middle East region and in Amman also. The images you see now will show you some of the projects that we have designed and supervised over the last 13 years. Now, I will tell you more about us, about the way we work, and the main principles behind our work. First of all, we believe in challenge. We see every project as a potential to create and to express our ideas and methodology. Number two, we try to maintain equilibrium between the creative design and the technical knowledge. Number three, we are deeply committed to perfecting architecture, and we try to achieve that by giving very high and meticulous attention to details. The spirit of collaboration and teamwork are key strategies in our design process. Finally, and this is very important to us, we are dedicated to improving the quality of the urban environment and creating better cities. We believe it is our responsibility as architects to create buildings that interact and react with the local community. Now, we will talk to you about our lead project, and my partner Safwan will present to you this project. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Safwan ALNASSER. We are here today to present to you this project. It's called JP Jets. It's Jordan Private Jets Terminal. It's a VIP terminal for passengers traveling through the Middle East using Aqaba city, that is in the south of Jordan. And it is situated nearby an airport called King Hussein Airport, International Airport in Aqaba city. The only link to the airport is just we connect the site with the runway of that airport. The site is around 10,000 square meters, and the setting of the site was actually the creation of our concept to this sculpted form. When we saw the site the first time, simply the fact that it's a stand-alone site and it has nothing related to any connection with the urban fabric of the city. It is situated in a very romantic site that has two major components that played a big role in our thinking and our approach to the design. The two components are simply the mountains at the background, the sharp-edged mountains, they are granite mountains, and the serene, simple line, flat line of the desert. So those two elements made an end result in our design, which is the sharp-edged form versus the flat slab or the flat line into the design. Those developed gradually in our design as follows, that we had two components. One is resembling or imitating of the mountains. The other is an imitation and resemblance of the flat surface of the sand, which is a flat slab with glazing underneath, which ended with our final product. Now, the requirements and the functions by the company that owns this terminal also were categorized into two functions. The blue function is the, let's call it front of house or the passengers waiting area, and the gray function is the operation and services functions that supports this project. The first function was laid on one floor, which is the ground floor, and the other function, which is the operational services, were on two floors. And now, that fact, the function with the two elements from the desert, created this sculpture, and the solid concrete mass, the hard-edged concrete mass, simply housed the operation and service back-of-house functions. And the other solid, slick, white slab sheltered the passengers' waiting lounge. Maximizing this flat slab, as you can see in the upper photo, it was maximizing the view from the interior to the passengers towards the apron while they are waiting for their airplanes to travel. Having this sculpted image and, let's say, complex form in mind, that called for simple color scheme and using simple materials from the inside. So black and white and very basic materials such as black granite, simple glazing, white color of ceiling, those were the solution to enhance the environment from the inside and to make this contrast with the complex form from the outside. Now, we had two major challenges in order to make this come true. The first challenge was how to transform this complex shape that was created on a drafting board simply, from that drafting board into a set of construction drawings that is highly detailed, where we had the technology to do this in all manners, with all satisfactory details and all types of information needed for any contractor to execute. And that was the first challenge where we achieved in doing that. The second challenge was we handed the drawings to a contractor, and we live in a country where we have simple construction and normal construction methods. So how to transform those beautiful, detailed construction drawings into reality? Simply, we had certain ideas and certain methods that we invented during construction and had to give to contractors with normal facilities and normal abilities of construction to do abnormal or, let's say, unusual shapes that in the end resulted with the final product that we had, as you can see. This product was a vision that came from a dream on site with very simple sketches into a sculpture in a standalone environment in the desert in the south of Jordan. Thank you very much.